Have you ever contemplated that your perimenopausal symptoms are actually messages that something is out of balance in your body and needs attention? Hot flushes, low moods, and fatigue are your body's way of asking for attention. They're not signs that your body is broken or failing. Your symptoms are essentially guiding you toward deeper self-care. But are you listening? Our modern day mantra is, I don't have time. But in all honesty, you now must make time. Historically, this phase in a woman's life was when she retreated into the forest for deep nurturing and rest. Because our hormones are trying to find their new settings, so it's sometimes a turbulent and energy draining process. And while it may not be possible in our modern day context to retreat for a few days, you can still take pockets of time out of your day to nurture yourself. The options are endless, and these little moments of time will build up and help support you as you move through this transition.